Hey guys, Adrian back with you for another video. In this video, I just want to show you how to put steel posts in alone. I'm talking about more specifically the garage steel post. So I'm doing this obviously alone, and I want to show you a little trick. So this post obviously you put in from the inside where we are here. You drop it down. You cut a block to size. So this one was 10 1/4, this one was 10 3/4, and then put the steel post in and put this 2x6 or 2x4, doesn't really matter, up tight so it's snug. You position it in line with the I-beam right in the center, and this being tight, you toenail one in here, one in this way, and then you throw a nail in this side and then one in this side, a nice hand spike, and that keeps it from going all over the place when afterwards you go in the garage and you snug it up. So this one is complete. This one I just put in. I have my block in, have my 2 nails so it can't shift laterally. And you'd be amazed. This steel post, look at that, it's tight there. And just from putting this block in here and putting 2 nails, I actually have this, I want to say 60-70 pound post floating in midair. Right? And that allows me to get whatever shims I need in place and then drive those in so it's tight. If she's not tight, she's not right. So that's just another trick you can do if you're working alone or find yourself on a rainy day putting steel posts in. Another little tip, guys, when you see these shims, steel shims, usually there's a pile of them on every site, grab a bucket and just keep them, a good bucket full of them. They're like gold when you need them. And try to get different sizes. Try to get like really skinny ones, thicker ones, so you can really get in there and put the right shims in the right places. All right guys, enjoy your day. Take care. Bye now.